Software testing case study. We are going to see about the topic which is automated software testing. So go on. So what is software testing? Software testing is a process of identifying the correctness of the software by considering its all attributes: reliability, scalability, portability, and reusability and usability, and evaluating the software bugs and errors. Software testing is software testing is usually for identifying the bugs in the software, and it is used to identify the bugs and correct it, and it is a most significant process in the software development. So, and what is an automated software testing? Automation testing is used to change the manual test cases into test script with the help of some automation tools which represent the software testing has a two types, which has uh, manual software testing and automated software testing. So in this topic I am going to discuss about the automated software testing. So what is an automated software testing? Automated software testing is used to change it is used to test using some tools, automation tools. So and it is benefits of software testing and automation, and reduces the time to your market and increases the test efficiency and significantly reduces the cost. So these are the terminologies for software testing. So next slide. So we are going to see a difference between the manual testing and then automated testing. And manual testing, we need a human resources. So and we need to invest them for to give me a salary. For that purpose we need a huge investment. So in automated testing we don't need, because the tool is the automation test also need a investment is required. So it is using a tool. So in manual testing there is a need to know no more programming language, but should have the product knowledge to write the test case. In the automated testing, without having an understanding of a programming language, we cannot write the test script, and it is a time consuming due to the usage of human resources. And in the automated testing, this is executing the faster and it is a time saving process. And manual testing, the script can be reused across a multiple release, and it could be possible when the test case only needs to run once or test twice. So these are the differences between the manual testing and automated testing. So this also need an investment, and this also need an investment. So this also have an disadvantage and this also have an advantage to use. So next slide. So some of the testing tools are available uh, for testing a software. So test management tools are used to keep track of all the testing activity. So test using testing activity and fast data analysis and manage manual and automation test cases, various environment plan and maintain manual testing as well. So it is used to manage the testing activity and automation test cases and manual testing. What and software testing tools are categorized as a test tool management tool and bug tracking tool, automated testing tool, performance testing tool, cross browser testing tool, integration testing tool, and unit testing tool, mobile and Android testing tool, GUI testing, and security testing. So these are the testing. These are the categories of an software testing tool. So bug tracking is used to track and bug in the software, and automated testing tool is used to track and whole software and performance. It is used to analyze the performance, and cross browsing testing tool. It is used to check whether the software was run on all the browsers and all the platform browsers. And integration testing tool, it is used to integrate some of the some of the dependencies and unit testing. It is used to implement some something about the code. Android testing, it is used to this is used for on mobile testing. And GUI testing, it is used to test the graphical user interface tool. Security, and this is a security based testing tool, and it is advantages and disadvantages. And in advantages, speed, efficiency, accuracy, and toughness. So this is the advantages, and disadvantages are expensive than manual testing and require additional trained and skilled person to work with the testing tool. So list of testing tools: Selenium. This is the web-based application tool. This Selenium tool is written in Java, Python, C Sharp, and PHP. And Terix Studio, it is a modern web development automation testing tool. With the help of this tool, we can test the load, performance, and functionalities of the web and mobile applications. A list of tools. These are the applications. And API tools: TestM, WebLoad, and Load Complete. Next, and thank you, sir.